Hey guys, welcome to Paths of Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, today we are going to explore in the World Series Madagascar. I found fun facts about Madagascar from three different sources. Firstly, I found from the Wikipedia. Then, secondly, I found from the National Tourism Office of Madagascar. And thirdly, I found out some fun things to do in Madagascar from a very good friend of mine, Rabodom Navalona. Well, from the Wikipedia, I found out that Madagascar is the world's largest island country in the Indian Ocean. From the National Tourism Office of Madagascar, I found out that it is very famous for its biodiversity, and especially the event of the humpback whale migration from the northern Madagascar, which is usually between June and September. It's usually a spectacular view. Then thirdly, from my very good friend, Rabodom Navalona, I found out fun things to do in Madagascar. Firstly, you can visit Nosy Bay. Nosy Bay is where you can go across to Saint Marie. It's like the biblical story of Moses, where the ocean was split into two. When you walk across, the ground is so spongy. Then, when you reach Saint Marie, there is very delicious seafood, which will be waiting for you there. Secondly, you can go to the south. There is Ranomafana, which has very beautiful hot springs, and they usually, it's said that they usually cure arthritis and other skin problems. Then when you go down south, there is Fort Dauphin, where you can swim with the dolphins. Then down south again, there is Isalo. Isalo, there are very beautiful caves, hotels. It's like a mountain of rocks, and then it is made into a restaurant. It's like a cave restaurant. There's so many other fun things to do in Madagascar. You can't finish in one trip. That's what my friend says. Well, for more details, check out my website, pathsoasis.com. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.